Energy-efficient windows are no longer just a modern trend. They are a practical investment that brings immediate and long-term value to homeowners and business owners in Fayetteville. With rising energy costs and growing awareness about sustainability, upgrading to energy-efficient windows offers benefits that go beyond aesthetics. From comfort to cost savings, here's why Fayetteville residents and businesses are making the switch. Significant energy savings. One of the most compelling reasons to install energy-efficient windows is the reduction in monthly utility bills. Traditional single-pane or outdated windows allow heat to escape in winter and let hot air in during summer. This forces HVAC systems to work harder, driving up energy consumption. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced glazing, low emissivity, low-E coatings, and insulated frames that minimize energy loss. For homes and businesses in Fayetteville, this translates into lower heating and cooling costs year-round. Enhanced indoor comfort is a top priority for both households and workplaces. Drafts, uneven temperatures, and excessive heat can make any space unpleasant. Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing air leakage and improving insulation. In summer, they keep interiors cooler by blocking excessive solar heat, while in winter, they retain warmth indoors. This consistent temperature control ensures that living rooms, offices, and even storefronts stay comfortable no matter the season. Noise reduction. Fayetteville is a vibrant city, but that can also mean dealing with traffic, construction, or neighborhood noise. Energy-efficient windows provide superior soundproofing compared to older models. Their multiple panes of glass and insulated framing act as a barrier to outside noise, making interiors quieter and more peaceful. For businesses, this creates a more professional atmosphere, while homeowners enjoy greater relaxation and privacy. Increased property value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart investment that pays off if you decide to sell your home or commercial property. Potential buyers in Fayetteville increasingly look for features that reduce energy costs and enhance sustainability. Properties equipped with modern windows stand out in the market, often selling faster and at higher values. For business owners, improved curb appeal and a greener image can also attract environmentally conscious customers. UV protection. For furnishings. Sunlight streaming through windows may brighten a room, but it also carries ultraviolet, UV, rays that can damage flooring, furniture, artwork, and merchandise. Energy-efficient windows often include special coatings that block harmful UV rays without reducing natural light. This protects your investments and keeps your interiors looking fresh for years to come. Whether it's a family living room or retail store, protecting interiors from sun damage is a practical benefit. Environmental responsibility. For Fayetteville residents and business owners committed to sustainability, energy-efficient windows are a step in the right direction. By reducing energy consumption, they lower your carbon footprint and support environmental conservation. Making this choice demonstrates a commitment to eco-friendly living and responsible business practices, values that resonate strongly with today's communities and customers. Lower maintenance and durability. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced materials that resist condensation, warping, and weather damage. Features like durable frames and insulated glass units reduce the need for frequent repairs or replacements. This not only saves time and money on maintenance but also ensures long-lasting performance in Fayetteville's varying climate. Final thoughts. Installing energy-efficient windows in Fayetteville homes and businesses delivers more than just cost savings. From improving comfort and reducing noise to protecting furnishings and promoting sustainability, the advantages are wide-reaching. For homeowners, it means creating a more enjoyable and valuable living space. For businesses, it translates into a smarter investment that supports productivity and a greener reputation. If you're considering upgrades, energy-efficient windows are one of the most impactful improvements you can make, benefiting your wallet, your property, and the environment.